Imagine for a moment you're holding a piece of the immediate future, not some distant concept from a sci-fi flick or a prototype of private tech show, but something tangible, right here, right now. It's a sophisticated little machine that listens, anticipates your moves, and captures the world around you with a stunning perspective your own eyes simply cannot replicate. Today, we're diving deep to understand why the DJI Mini 5 is categorically different from any other aerial device on the market. It's the closest thing to a world-class, pocket-sized cinematographer we've ever seen, and it's a quiet reason why countless people are discreetly revamping their travel kits, their camera gear, and frankly, their whole approach to creating content. Subscribe for more informative videos. As I work hard to gather useful information for you, in return you just hit the bell icon button. Because this time, DJI hasn't just refined a gadget. They've engineered a portal, an accessible doorway allowing us all to experience our world through a radically new lens. Whether you clicked out of pure curiosity, are seriously contemplating your next drone purchase, or just want to grasp the sheer enthusiasm surrounding this minuscule powerhouse, stick with me, because what you're about to hear will fundamentally redefine your expectations for aerial cameras. Let's start with a fundamental question. Why the sudden, intense spotlight on this particular drone? Consider the natural progression of technology. For years, flying a drone felt like an exclusive club. They were large, complex, and often intimidating devices reserved only for seasoned professionals or the most dedicated hobbyists. Then came the original DJI mini-series, a breakthrough that introduced a new era of friendly, lightweight, and genuinely compact flying. But the Mini 5, well, this feels like that pivotal moment when feature phones gave way to the ubiquitous smartphone. Once you grasp the sheer capability wrapped up in the Mini 5, the idea of settling for anything less becomes obsolete. Now, let's paint a scene. You're standing on an empty stretch of coastline, the sun dipping below the horizon in a blaze of orange, the gentle rush of the tide the only sound. You flick the Mini 5 into the air with an effortless gesture, and instantly, your visual perspective is torn wide open. The world expands. The entire coastline unfurls like a velvet ribbon. Every tiny adjustment you make feels deliberate. Every captured moment becomes cinematic art. And in that moment of viewing the flawless feed, you realize you don't need a team of professionals or a $10,000 camera rig to produce footage that looks straight out of a Hollywood travel documentary. That's the revolutionary, accessible power of the Mini 5. However, the true magic of this drone runs far deeper than just its lens. What genuinely sets it apart is a profound intelligence that powers its movements and decisions, the way it constantly scans, interprets, and effortlessly adapts to its surroundings. This drone doesn't just record. It actively protects itself and your investment, even as you test its limits by pushing it farther, higher, and faster than you thought possible. The technology you're about to hear about might sound futuristic, but I promise you, it is absolutely real. I want you to actively visualize this. You're navigating a new environment, perhaps the sharp vertical geometry of a metropolis, the sprawling beauty of a national park, or a remote mountain town blanketed in mist. You simply unfold the Mini 5, set it down, and tap Take Off. In milliseconds, it achieves a complete and total comprehension of its location, the myriad of objects, all potential obstacles, the current wind conditions, the light quality, and even your precise orientation. It's no longer just a camera on rotor blades. It's genuine, artificial situational awareness, packaged with motors and a shell. And the camera, oh, the camera. DJI has truly pulled out all the stops. The Mini 5 delivers details so impeccably sharp, it literally feels like you could step right into frame. From the dense canopy of ancient forests to the vibrant glow of a city at night, or the stark silence of a snow-covered landscape, the Mini 5 captures it all with a crystal clarity that verges on unbelievable. It's often joked that this drone sees better than the person controlling it, and honestly, that's not an overstatement. Yet, technical specifications aren't what ultimately forge an emotional connection with users. What truly captivates hearts is the extraordinary freedom afforded by its sub-250-gram weight. That revered magic number is the sweet spot where regulatory hurdles are dramatically simplified, paperwork vanishes, and the simple act of fly becomes a stress-free joy. For the creator, the traveler, or the everyday explorer, this weight class is paramount. It means you can effortlessly toss it into a small bag, fly it in exponential more locations, breeze through airport security, and enjoy the process without the cumbersome feeling of operating military-grade equipment. But here's a genuine game changer. The part one urge you to focus on because it blindsides almost everyone. The Mini 5 doesn't just document the world. It actively studies, interprets, and creatively composes for you. When you engage its advanced autonomous functions, be it object tracking, precise orbiting, or its professional cinematic modes, the drone transcends the role of a simple camera operator. It evolves into an aerial artist. It independently selects the optimal angles, executes the smoothest possible flight paths, and manages beautiful transitions. It intelligently anticipates your future movements and course corrects in real time. The result is consistently breathtaking footage that will inevitably make your friends ask, "Wait, how did you shoot that? Who is your pilot?" The astonishing answer is always the powerful little machine resting quietly in your hand. Now, I understand what you might be thinking. This incredible technology sounds daunting. Is it genuinely friendly for a complete beginner? Let me reassure you with an image. Picture yourself, a first-time drone pilot with zero experience, nervous, perhaps terrified of a crash. As you lift the Mini 5 off the ground for the very first time, something remarkable occurs. It instantly locks its position in the air, holding perfectly steady, as if anchored by an invisible cable. You nudge the control stick forward, and instead of the expected jolt or wobble, it begins a smooth, fluid glide. You release the stick, and it stops calmly, safely, and confidently. In that instantaneous moment, the fear dissolves and pure, unadulterated excitement takes over. That's the exact instant most new pilots fall completely in love. But let's zoom out for a wider view, because this drone's utility isn't confined to travelers and hobbyists. The Mini 5 is rapidly establishing itself as the secret weapon of small to mid-sized businesses, real estate professionals, building inspectors, Airbnb hosts, high-end landscapers, and even wedding videographers. With a drone this discreet and a camera this capable, you possess the power to fundamentally alter the presentation of your work. You can market homes faster, showcase properties with previously unattainable dynamism, and capture professional events from revolutionary angles no smartphone could ever conceive of. If you're exploring the idea of a lucrative side hustle, this drone might be the most painless and profitable entry point you can find. The potential return on investment is frankly ridiculous. Next, let's address the one detail that everyone worries about: battery endurance. If you've flown older models, you're intimately familiar with the frustrating countdown, the spike of anxiety. Oh no, only 3 minutes left. The Mini 5 fundamentally changes the entire equation. You are afforded enough flight time to actually savor the experience, to experiment, to compose your shots without feeling a frantic rush to land. And when paired with extended battery options, a simple afternoon outing effortlessly expands into a 2-hour aerial odyssey. But what good is a durable battery if your connection is unstable, the video feed stutters, or the controls feel sluggish? DJI understands that reliability is paramount, which is why the Mini 5 incorporates one of the most robust transmission systems ever engineered for a drone of this size. It's consistently smooth, rock-solid stable, and utterly dependable, even when you push its operational range to the limit. The feeling of exploratory freedom is truly boundless. But here's the aspect I believe you will appreciate the most. Every single technological advancement in the Mini 5 feels meticulously designed for the actual user, not for an engineer's spreadsheet. It's built for people who demand a tool that simply works, that's genuinely fun, and that doesn't necessitate reading a manual thicker than a textbook. And speaking of fun, let's imagine a few real-world scenarios. Picture yourself finishing a challenging ascent in the mountains. The world sprawls out beneath you. Most people pull out a phone for a quick snap, but you deploy the Mini 5. It ascends, and suddenly your personal achievement is transformed into a majestic, cinematic narrative. Or perhaps your children are playing innocently in the yard. Sunshine, laughter, a simple, perfect moment. You send the drone up for a quick flight, and what you capture isn't just footage. It's an heirloom memory, a moment preserved with a beauty that will be cherished forever. Imagine a coast-to-coast road trip. The raw beauty of the desert, the deep shadows of ancient forests. Each stop becomes a new opportunity to capture something breathtakingly unique. This drone is far more than equipment. It is an invaluable companion for those irreplaceable moments you refuse to let fade. But let's drill down even further, because if you stayed with me this long, I know you require the absolute, unvarnished truth about its value. Here it is. The Mini 5 is not a novelty. It's not merely an incremental upgrade, and it is certainly not a minor improvement. It represents a paradigm shift, a profound shift in the ease of capturing life, a dramatic shift in the performance ceiling of entry-level drones, a welcome shift in the expectations of professionals, and a significant shift in what creators feel empowered to dream up. And here's the interesting paradox. Drone enthusiasts rarely stop at one purchase. They perpetually seek better, smarter, sharper, more feature-rich, and more stable aircraft. Yet, upon arriving at the Mini 5, there is a deep, profound sense of satisfaction that is difficult to articulate. It checks every single box: portability, world-class camera quality, sophisticated safety features, extended battery life, autonomous intelligence, ease of operation, and unwavering reliability. It is a first truly complete, uncompromised package. And if you've ever felt even slightly intimidated by the complexity of drone technology, trust me, this is the one device that will unequivocally make you declare, I can absolutely do this. Now, imagine the final scene. You're standing somewhere utterly beautiful, taking your time, as the Mini 5 hovers gracefully, awaiting your next simple command. You glance at the controller screen and are confronted with footage so stunning it elicits an involuntary smile. And in that precise moment, you understand that this was never just a purchase. This was an upgrade to your entire lifestyle, a new way to document stories you never realized you were missing, a means to see the world from previously inaccessible angles, and a powerful tool to solidify simple moments into unforgettable cinematic memories. And that, far more than any technical specification, feature list, or marketing hype, is precisely why the DJI Mini 5 is rapidly becoming the most beloved, compact aerial device available. It gives you something truly rare, the genuine feeling of wonder, the electric thrill of possibility, and the vibrant spark of empowered creativity. So, whether you're preparing to buy it, have already placed your order, or just now discovering its existence, understand this. The DJI Mini 5 is not just a drone. It is a compelling invitation. An invitation to start seeing your life and the world from an entirely new perspective. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.